Hello students, this is Click English and I'm tutor Nick. Welcome to the Better English course. In this video, you will see how time words are used to connect sentences. You'll use some verb phrases and learn more about pronunciation. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Liking and subscribing help me to grow the Click English channel with new videos. Okay, if you're ready, we'll begin. You're going to read a story called One Dark October Evening. Read the story once, then complete it with a word or phrase from the list above the text. Read the story again and write the answers to these questions.
Why did Hannah go and speak to Jamie? Why did Jamie play Get the Party Started? What happened when Hannah left the club? What was the restaurant like? Where did they go every evening after that? What was the weather like that evening in October? Why was Hannah driving fast? Why didn't she see the man?
From memory, complete the sentences from the story with so, because, or although. Then check in the story.
On their first date, they went to a restaurant. After that, they started meeting every day.
On Thursday, I had an argument with my boss. The next day, I decided to look for a new job.
We sat down to eat 2 minutes later, my phone rang. When I came out of the club, he was waiting for me.
The accident happened when I was crossing the road. We use time sequencers to say when or in what order things happen. We use when as a time sequencer and also to join two actions. I was watching TV when the phone rang. Two verbs joined by when. Then, after that. The most common way of linking consecutive actions is with then or after that, but not after. For example, I got up and got dressed. Then, or after that, I made a cup of coffee. Not, I got up and got dressed after I made a cup of coffee. Connectors. Because, so, but, although. Because and so. She was driving fast because she was in a hurry.
She was in a hurry, so she was driving fast.
We use because to express a reason. We use so to express a result. She tried to stop the car, but she hit the man. Although she tried to stop the car, she hit the man.
She was very tired, but she couldn't sleep. She couldn't sleep, although she was very tired.
We use but and although to show a contrast. Although can go at the beginning or in the middle of a sentence. Put these sentences in the correct order.
He explained that he was looking for a thief, and then he got on the bus. Then another man tried to do the same. Last week I was waiting for a bus. The next day I saw the story on a local news website. When I asked the second man what he was doing, he told me that he was a policeman. A few seconds later, he got off the bus with the thief. The bus arrived, but suddenly a man ran in front of me and got on. After that, a police car came and took the thief away.
Complete these sentences with so, because, but, or although. Write these words from the story and underline the stressed syllable. I've done the first one for you. Across. Across. Make verb phrases with a verb from list 1 and a phrase from list 2. All the phrases are from the story. across, across, after, after, again, again, along, along, although, although, awful, awful, because, because, birthday, birthday, evening, evening, invite, invite, perfect, perfect, quickly, quickly,